Sure enough, be sure in English, American English in Minutes, lesson number 66. Sure has an invisible H. Sure sounds like sure with an SH. The word sugar also has this SH sound. Sure means certain, secure, confident, being careful to remember to do something. We use it for emphasis to make something stronger. Wow, she sure can sing. It sure is quiet tonight. I wonder if something is wrong. He sure does like to eat. He put away 3 helpings. To put away food, to eat, especially fast or a lot. Helpings, servings, or portions. Sure with short answers. Are you ready? I sure am. Can you give me some more information? I sure can. Does he need any help? He sure does. Did you pay the phone bill? I sure did. Be here tomorrow at 8 o'clock sharp. I sure will. A time plus sharp, right on time. Don't be even a minute late. Sure enough, and a sure thing. Sure enough means as predicted. You saw it coming. I rarely order food from that place because they always get your order wrong. My friend insisted on ordering lunch from them yesterday, and sure enough, they got the order all wrong. I was afraid to move the boxes out of the garage in case there were spiders. Sure enough, as soon as I moved the first box, a big spider came running out. A sure thing is something guaranteed. You can't lose with this one. It's a sure bet. Letting the kids cut their own hair would be a sure disaster. Sure you are. This actually means that we don't believe the other person. I'm the best one in the class. Sure you are. He claims he spends 6 hours a day at the gym. Sure he does. Sometimes we say, I'm sure you do, to show annoyance or amusement over the other person's behavior. I never leave dishes in the sink. I wash everything right after I eat. I'm sure you do. As sure as the day is long. As sure as the day is long. Very sure. As the day is long is just an intensifier, making something more intense, stronger, emphatic, that can follow an adjective. Common expressions with sure. A sure sign, sure to win, make darn sure. Staying in bed until noon every day is a sure sign of either laziness or depression. The current mayor is sure to win re-election because he's so popular. Nobody is going to cheat me out of money. I'll make darn sure of that. A surefire way and Valley Girls. A surefire way, sometimes hyphenated surefire, is a method that works. It might be a good thing or a bad thing. Putting up billboards all over town is a surefire way to get your new business noticed. Coming to work late every day is a surefire way to get fired. There is no surefire way to get rich overnight. In Los Angeles, the Valley Girl way of talking featured "I'm so sure" to mean she did not believe it. However, for sure means definitely. Be sure to watch more. Be sure to check out more American English in Minutes videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon!